Hello everybody, you all are welcome to my channel CSS PMS Village, and it is hoped that you all are going great and doing well for your upcoming exams. Dear friends, in this connection we have started a series of idioms and phrases which have been taken from the past papers of CSS, PMS, PPSC, FPSC and just name it. And in this connection we have today part 15, and in this part we are going to see the idioms and phrases from 450 to 500 Yahoo, that we have reached our trend to the 500 idioms and phrases taken from the past papers. And without wasting any time, let's to have up today's first idiom, which is jail word, which means a person who is or has been confined in jail. This word is mostly used for the jailer or prison people, for the prison persons, or we can say the criminals which has been confined in the jail. Next we have jaundice eye. Jaundice eye is very similar to the jealousy or green eye. Another idiom for this jaundice eye, green eye person. Well, looking at the meaning of this idiom, to look at a conclusion prematurely. Here is meaning is change. As already I have told you many a time that idiom have variety of meaning in different contexts. Moving further down to 3 of today's idiom, kangaroo's court. Kangaroo's court is a very famous idiom which means an illegal court or unlawful court, we can say, which is unconstitutional court. 4 we have keep one at bay, which means keep one at a distance. 5 we have keep one's cards close to one's chest. The figurative meaning of this idiom is clearly indicate that the someone is going to hide something by closing to one's chest. Let's have meaning, actual meaning, hiding something. 6 we have keep one's finger crosses or crossed, which means to wait expectantly that you are going to have a good or positive result. 7 we have keep one's pot boiling, which means earn hardly enough for living. Hand to mouth living is another idiom for this context. Moving to the 8, we have one keep one's word, which means to keep one's promises. You have to keep your promises, your word, not words. Word means is used for promise. Okay, 9 we have keep one's eye on the ball, which means be ready for something. And 10 we have keep one's eye on the ball. Oh, it's repeated again, sorry for this one, which means be ready for something or someone to face it or face him. Keep someone under thumb, which means to keep someone under one's control. Most the upper class used to do for their lower class or middle class people. Keep the ball rolling, which means to maintain the progress of a project or plan, which means you have to keep your plan moving in a very positive direction or in a very uh, active direction, or activism be there in your plan. Keep the wall from the door, which means to avoid poverty, starvation. भुखमरी को ख़त्म करना. Well, next we have keep the walls. Here is the walls, plural of wolf, away from the door, which means to avoid starvation. Starvation for the another synonym we can say is a hunger or a hungry person or hungry people, and poverty is another word. Here is the actual word is I think the poverty is best suited for this starvation or this idiom, keep the walls away from the door. Well, next we have kick the bucket, which means to die, to expire, to meet the real world, or we can say to meet your maker, the Allah Almighty. Okay, next we have kill two birds with one stone, which means doing two things at the same time while effort is made for one. With one effort, you achieve two things, is the meaning of this idiom, kill two birds with one stone. How luckily someone is. Well, next we have kill two birds with one stone is again repeated, but meaning is changed, which means to achieve two results with one effort. Two results with one effort. Kith and kin, most frequently asked idiom. Let's have a meaning of this idiom. Blood relation or nepotism. Blood relation is very quite similar with this meaning. Kith and kin means relative, your near and dear ones. Knit one's brow. To frown. To frown means to remove someone or to have insult of someone, to insult something. Please go and search the meaning of this frown. Lady killer, which means man who is very attractive to women. 71 we have idiom ladies man, which means a man who is fond of company of women. Sugar daddy is another related idiom, but it's not similar in the meaning or in context with this one. A man who is fond of the company of women. 72 we have laid down their arms, which means to stop fighting, give up, yield, another synonyms for this idiom. Well, 73 we have lame excuse, which means false excuse, baseless excuse, have no any ground, that you are giving us the examples or argument of you are not coming yesterday is just lame excuse, we are not going to take it or believe you. Latin and Greek, there is another idiom which is it is Greek to me, which means it is ununderstandable to me or illegible to me. Well, here let's see the meaning of this Latin and Greek, which means unable to understand, is the same meaning. 75 we have laugh one's head off. Off means separation. Well, see the meaning. Laugh heartily, laugh joyfully. 76 we have laughing stock, which means one who is ridiculed, which one is humorous, or we can say laugh at. Laying off, which means dismissal from jobs. Sacked off is another word. Laying off or sacked off or dismissal from the services. Well, next we have a lace out. It's a phrasal verb, which means to spend money, comma, fork out. Fork out is another phrasal verb, which means to spend, to shell over is another phrasal verb for this one. Fork out, fork over is also used for this same to spend money lavishly. Fork over and fork out. Well, moving to the next 79, leave no stone unturned, which means use all available means, resources, and opportunities or advantages, whatever you have. 80, we have leave one in the lurch, asked in CSS 2012 or 13, I think, when there was another idiom, dog in the manger, and it's also repeated one. Let's have a meaning of this idiom. Desert means to leave, to abandon someone in difficulties or in the deep sea. 81, we have left handed compliment. Left handed compliment means uh, the praise uh, with insulting, we can say. Meaning, let's see it, an insult disguise as a compliment. 82, we have let the cat out of the bag, repetitive one, and which means reveal a secret, expose your hidden aim. Let the cat out of the bag, to tell a secret carelessly or by mistake. Like a cat on hot bricks, which means very nervous. Lion's share, large part, mostly taken by the CEOs of companies or business tycoons or main head of company, we can say, name it. Next we have 86, live in a ivory tower, which means living in comfort and being unaware of realities of other miseries, like the today's politician used to have the ivory tower in their cozy homes. Next we have 87, live wire, energetic, which means 88, we have live wire, repeated, but meaning is changed. A person who is lively and full of energy, very enthusiasm person, energetic, zeal, devoted, dedicated. 89, we have loaves and fishes, which means material benefit. Loaves and fishes. Okay. 90, we have lock, stock, and barrel, which means wholly, completely, entirely, all and sundry is another idiom. All and sundry for this one, whole, completely, entirely. 91, we have look of colors, which means look ill or unhealthy, sick. 92, we have look through colored glasses, which means to see the differences or with different meanings or perspectives. You can use it for that meaning. 93, we have lost ground, failed to keep positions, unable to secure his position, lost their head. The meaning is clear from the idiom itself. Figuratively, if we say lost their head, means unable to use his or her mind while saying or deciding something very important. Let's have its meaning. To be carried away. To be carried away or carry away is an phrasal verb which is used for the removing something. Lump in the throat, which means a tight or uncomfortable feeling in throat due to emotions. Okay. 96, we have made as a march here, crazy and insane person. 97 we have made of money, very healthy, very rich. Maiden name, a woman's surname before marriage. Before marriage, a lady has name is said that she has a maiden name. 99 we have maiden speech, already asked in CSS, or I think PMS as well, PPSC. Well, let's have meaning. First speech or first maiden work. Today's last idiom we have, make a beeline for something, to go directly towards something. In stone's throw we can say is another idiom, make a beeline for, or in a stone's throw. So dear friends, it is a hope that you have learned from this my learning, and thanks for having me and for your patience for listening me, and I hope that you will enjoy more and more by repeating this video and upcoming videos as well. So it is today's video. Here we are going to end it because it's too lengthy, getting it too lengthy. So have a good day.